Good morning. Myself Dipti Desai from Dr. PVT Primary Girls School English Medium. Today we will learn Standard 3rd subject Maths Chapter 5. Students, what do you see on the screen? Blackboard, right? Do you miss this? We also miss you a lot, beta. Very soon we will study on blackboard. Now tell me, what is the shape of this blackboard? Rectangle, right? Now what is this? Kite, right? Now can you tell me the shape of this kite? Square, right? Now have you ever seen this thing anywhere? Beta, we can see this on roadside. What does it show? It shows sign on right turn. Now can you tell me the shape of this board? The shape of this board is triangle, right? Now have you ever seen this? What is this? It is a wheel, right? Now what is the shape of this wheel? Circle, right? Now beta, if you see around us, then so many things are in rectangular shape. See, Cadbury, top of the table, TV, slate, playing card are the things in rectangle shape. Now, if you see around us, then so many things are in square shape. Carom, bread, one face of die. Some blackboards are also in square shape. Now, these are the things around us which are in triangle shape. Sandwich, nachos, mountain, etc. are in triangle shape. Now, beta, if you see around us, then these things are in circle shape. Clock, pizza, wheel, steering of car, these many things are in circular shape. Now, have you ever seen this shape? Beta, this is called an oval shape. The shape of this dish is oval. So students, today we are going to learn our chapter number 5, Shapes and Design. Beta, if you see, then some shapes are made up of straight line and some shapes are made up of curved line. This rectangle is made up of straight line. Square is also made up of square line. You can draw this line with the help of scale, but circle and oval you cannot draw with scale, but you have to use compasses or string, or with the help of hand you can draw circle or oval. Students, if you see around us, then so many, these are the shapes which we can see. Square, rectangle, triangle, rhombus, circle, oval, hexagon. Hexagon means the shape which has 6 sides is called hexagon. Pentagon, it has 5 sides. Parallelogram, trapezium, star, semicircle. So many shapes we are using in our daily life. But I think you have not seen this parallelogram. This is called parallelogram and it has 4 sides. Now, students, today we are going to learn edges and corner of the shapes. First of all, we will understand what is the edge of the shape. The straight line or side is called edge of the shape. So, these are the edges of triangle. Now, what is corner? So, meeting point of these two sides is called corner. Now, let's count corner of the triangle. 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 corners in a triangle. Now, let's count its edges. 1, 2 and 3. Triangle has 3 edges. Now we will count corners and edges in parallelogram. So let's count corners in a parallelogram. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 corners in a parallelogram. Now we will count its edges. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 edges in parallelogram. Now we will count corners in circle. But if you see in a circle, then there is no corner in a circle. So, 0 corner in a circle. And in a circle, 1 curved edge. So, circle has 1 curved edge. Now, this is an oval. In oval also we can see there is no corner. So, in an oval, 0 corner and 1 curved edge. Now we will count edges and corner in cuboid. This is called cuboid and this is called cube and this is called cuboid. There are same number of corners and edges in cuboid and cube. I will show you in only one object. Another object you will count yourself. But first of all, I will show you difference between cube and cuboid. In cube, length, breadth and height are same. And in cuboid, length, breadth and height are different. So let's count corners in cube. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 corners in cube and cuboid both. Now let's count its edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now backside also there are 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Now these 2 edges and these 2 edges we will not count in this surface. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Therefore there are 12 edges in cube. Now this is a ball. In a ball there is no corner and there is no edge. Therefore in a ball 0 corner and 0 edge. Now girls, our next topic is tangram. Tangram is a Chinese puzzle in which one big shape is cut into different shapes and it is called tangram. See, in this big shape, there are 7 shapes are cut. First is triangle, second is parallelogram, third triangle, fourth square or rhombus, fifth triangle, sixth triangle and seventh is also triangle. With the help of these shapes, you can make so many things like mountain, bird, boat, house, etc. Students, you can make whatever you want to make. See, I have made some things. I have made this bird with the help of these shapes. First is triangle, then this is square, triangle, triangle, and this is a parallelogram. With the help of these shapes only, I have made a mountain. So I have made some more figures with the help of these shapes. This is a boat. which is made out of these shapes. Students, we can see shapes in designs of cloth also. This is a pillow cover in which you can see these geometrical shapes. In this figure, we can see square, square and semicircle. This is a picture of the rug in which you can see so many shapes: square, circle, triangle, hexagon, rhombus. So many shapes are in the picture of rug. Now, this is the picture of tile of floor. In this picture, you can see so many shapes: triangle, then rhombus. In this rhombus also 4 triangles, then this is a square. Like this way, shapes are very important in our daily life. This is also a picture of tile in which you can see triangle, then square, rectangle, so many shapes. Here you can see hexagon also. This is also picture of tile in which you can see rhombus and rectangle. Shapes are seen in our clothes also. This is a picture of sari in which you can see circle, rectangle, triangle, rhombus, etc. Now this is a picture of pillow cover and bed sheet in which also you can see triangle, square, rhombus, etc. Now students, I will ask Now students, I will ask you few questions. In a square, how many corners are there? 4, right? And how many edges are there? 4. Now, can you tell me the number of corners in circle? 0, right? And number of edges in a circle? 1 curved surface. And cube, but I will give you half minute. You will count number of edges and number of corners in a cube and you will tell me. Now, in a cube, there are 8 corners and there are 12 edges, right? Now, we have learned tangram also. With the help of shapes of tangram, which things can you make? You can make a picture of house, bird, mountain, whatever picture you can make, right? Now, this is a baby frog in which shapes you can see? Triangle, parallelogram, right? This is also a picture of baby frog. Which shapes you can see in this baby frog? Circle, right? Thank you. Hope you enjoy the lesson.